This your boy, Mr. MO, Mr. MC. Let's get it, let's go. Let's get straight to it. So, alright, now the name of the game is buying things. So you get cash back on your favorite things. If you like doing Uber Eats, you can do Uber Eats online. Everything is online. Everything is online. I just had to say that again. Alright. Just showing you everything, that you would like for other favorites section. I don't want to show everything for that, but you get the point. And this is basically it, but I'm going to show you the reason why I'm promoting it, because if you know people, you should want to promote it. This is a low-key app that a lot of people talked about in the past, but, still not a lot of people talking about. So, with that being said, like I said, so for luxury, that's what you have. Health and beauty. You like Walgreens, CVS. I know those two are popular, however you want to pronounce it, but hey, pronounce it how I pronounce it. How it come off. I ain't trying to offend nobody. Offend anyone. So look, you got Foot Locker, New Balance. For the pet lovers, I love certain pets. Not to pet or have as a pet. You feel me? Or certain animals. So then you got food, Uber Eats, DoorDash. I know I'm sounding, dry and lazy, but I'm gonna get to the real deal. Get Party City. A lot of places used to have Party Cities, across the country, but they still hanging in there. Home Depot. Everything is online, so remember that. And you can have a strategy. Groupon, Hulu, ESPN Plus, GameStop, Disney Plus, etc., etc. Yep. You got the powerhouse. Amazon, Walmart, Sam's Club. Okay, so this is why we here, right? You can earn $5 every time you bring in a new referral. So all you have to do is, when you join, you can go to anything you like to do. And if you like to do it multiple times, it's even better. Why? Because as you doing it, you're going to make money back and bring people in. Because when people see you're doing it, or if you're not doing it, but this is for people that want to just not do it, or just want to refer. Or want to do both, or just want to, shop. So without confusing y'all, basically what I'm saying, for people that want to refer, you can, do it too. And people that just, want to, shop, you can do that too. Or both. But you'll come here, Then you will click there. I ain't gonna do all the shopping, but then you buy. Then I will see money right here in this balance, and then first it'll probably pin right down, and as you see, once you have 15, you can cash out the PayPal. Haven't referred anybody yet, but I will, and I know you will too. Don't give up, because I won't. And I won't let you down. All you have to do is Gmail me ASAP, please. That's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. But if you like this for entertainment, that's cool. You can watch it too. You don't have to sign up. But I would love for everybody that watched this, to sign up. Everybody that watched this to sign up. And I know you might say, sure, I sure you sure you do, or sure you do, or whatever, If you say that, somebody might say something like that. But it is what it is, y'all. It is what it is. But and what is it? 15 to cash out. That's what it is. So if you want to come join, when you come join, why wouldn't you come join? But I'll show you. Unlike the rest. Heck, if you go just subscribe to my channel, comment, like, subscribe, and Gmail me ASAP, please. I said please. Literally, I said please. But not real talk though. Just come join. Had a link below the description. They giving out $5, unlimited. It said it take up. Matter of fact, we gonna see what it say. So as you see, when you refer a friend who sign up and making an eligible cashback purchase, Ernie will give you $5 for your friend who makes an eligible cashback purchase. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm not fumbling my words and stuff because I'm nervous or whatever, or I can't read. It's just, I'm feeling so comfortable and relaxed. You just don't understand. Like, I'm just so comfortable and relaxed. It's just, yeah. I haven't felt this way in a while. Like, just comfortable and relaxed. It's I don't know. But you will be able to see the amount you earn in the earnings section of the Earnly mobile app, or in the profile section of Earnly Chrome extension. So let's get to what I said, or what I thought. I'm just gonna, go off what they said, because I didn't want to say, yeah, you get paid when. So basically, once you make a purchase, I'll be able to see a 5 between 45 to 60 days. Where you see that at? Right here. After the friend make the purchase until the order is validated, at which point, I don't know, I just paused for a minute, I don't know, I don't know why. At which point it will go into your current balance. So basically, I'm not gonna keep reading, guys, because y'all probably thinking like, bro, this dude, come on, man, read better than that, but don't do that to me. Like, don't try to fry me. Don't try to, whatever y'all roast people. Don't try to roast me, man. I'm just real relaxed, man. Like, I don't know, I'm relaxed. I would explain, but I'm not gonna explain. The ones that know, they know. The ones that don't know, it went over your head. But I'm relaxed. Just know that. And I know I'm saying but and I caught myself, but like I said, but a couple of times, few times. So basically, what this is, a free money, no money out your pocket. If you work this as, bringing it to people that, just love cash back, or if you love to do both, or if you just want to promote me right now, I'm, probably more on probably doing both, but I'm promoting it right now. I'm gonna be honest, I'm promoting it right now, because I know somebody that, want to do both, or maybe want to sign up and find somebody else to do it, and I don't get anything from that, because let's say somebody sign up, they like, man, I'm gonna sign up on him for being real. 'Cause some people just be greedy and just say anything. They get referrals, especially off YouTube, and basically, people say anything, man, and I know I say again, just to get the views and the money. And if they ain't getting paid off the, AdSense, they, they tell you anything, and then they don't show you how to get referrals, and you're stuck. I used to be that person, that guy. I've been doing this for a while. Definitely been doing this for a while. But you can always get better. Keep grinding, no matter where you at, what level you at, and try to stay humble as possible you can. You're not perfect, but with the butter again, you hear me? But you just come here, buy something you like, and earn me that 5, and earn yourself that 5. We both get 5. You tell other people, you bring as many people you want. So I think you bring as many people you want, and then I'm gonna get up out of here, y'all. Let me see. He said there are no minimum or maximum limit. So you see that? It don't say where you gotta stop at 5 referrals, so it's bring as many people you want. So think about that, y'all. And then you need 15 to cash out. You need 15 to pull out. So remember that. You like, man. When am I see the bread? Say it right there. I'm gonna keep it right there for a minute. Pause it, whatever. But it's your boy, Mr. MMO, Mr. MMC. And if you heard that, that was me. I had cracked my fingers, man. I need to stop doing that. But and that look delicious though. Tacos, boy. I ain't gonna lie, them boys. Well, I'm gonna say them boys, but them tacos look good. I don't know. You know other stuff before I get up out of here, man. Like this on some other stuff. Like my people always refer things to boy or them girls or a car. Like it's like, I mean, yeah, I get it, but then like I caught myself like that was on some chill shit, y'all. Excuse my language, because you know how they is on the tube, the tube. But yeah, man, it's your boy, Mr. MMO, Mr. MC. Let's get it. Let's go. I'm up out of here. Hey, man, come join, though. For real, for real. Come join. You see him? Look at him. That could be me and you. I ain't got no 5s yet. No 5s yet, you feel me? I don't know if they show you the history, though. Hold on. No 5s yet. I ain't got no referrals. So, come on. Come join. Join. Come join.